Welcome to Bridgewater in Melbourne, Florida. Have I got a treat for you? Hi, this is Karina Daninger with eXp Realty, and I have a brand new, never lived in half duplex coming on the market, and I want to show it all to you. However, we're going to just pan over here to the nice yard and show you that the sprinklers came on unknown at the timing was now. So we will not be showing you the outside of the house, but I will tell you it's a 2-car garage, and we'll be putting the listing on here tomorrow, so you can click the listing and see all the beautiful pictures of the outside too. So come on in with me. This home was built by Lennar. They do an amazing job with their construction in their homes. In fact, Caitlin, let's go ahead over here and show them this beautiful big patio. I'll open the door so we can kind of take a peek outside real quick and miss the sprinklers. There we go. This door is amazing because it will collapse and collapse, so you can have this whole thing open if you decide to screen in your back patio. But I want to point out the pavers and how long this patio is. It's really nice. And then you have the little wall over there that separates from your side from your neighbors. And we're going to just come on right back in and miss out on these lovely sprinklers. And the doors are heavy. They're definitely really well built. All the windows and doors are hurricane impact rated, so you don't have to worry about putting up shutters. Beautiful tile floor. This would be your living space with the open, big, gorgeous kitchen. So let's take a walk over to the kitchen. We'll take a look at that first. Nice, big, deep stainless steel sink, my favorite, so I'm not wearing dirty water when I'm doing my dishes and pots and pans. You have beautiful stainless steel appliances throughout, stunning gray cabinets, and I love the choice of the countertops. I also like the fact that they didn't put the backsplash up because it's so personal on what people choose. So if you decide to purchase this, I can definitely make you some recommendations on somebody put backsplash up for you, but at least you can pick it. Now where I'm standing over here would be your dining area or your eating kitchen, and it's a good size. I love all the windows with the lights. The blinds are spectacular. These are the type that just pull down when you're done and pull up, no cords to deal with, so love those. We have a really good pantry size. And over here is our den. Now the den is quite large, so if you need a 3rd bedroom, you could totally put another bedroom in here and have just a closet added on, or you could put a Murphy's bed and a desk in here. A lot of opportunities of what you could put in this room. Now we're gonna spin and we're gonna go back this way, and we're gonna go look at bedroom number 2. So it is a split floor plan. If you follow me a lot, you'll know that split floor plan in Florida means master bedroom on one side of the house and the other bedrooms on the other side of the house. It's really nice, so everybody has their space. We have a gorgeous big 2nd bathroom right across the hall from the 2nd bedroom. It is a tub shower combo, nice big countertop, really nice soaking tub. And then right outside of that is our laundry room. And the laundry room has cabinets matching the kitchen. Inside the closet over there is the air conditioning closet, and the following door is the garage. Very convenient to come in through the garage this way. The whole house is a smart house. The current owner did not set it up so the new owners can actually put their own passwords in from scratch. So it is a whole house smart house. Help the realtor. All right, let's go check out the master bedroom. This master bedroom's great. Really nice. They have these set up so you run your cords through the wall and come out so you don't have all those cords hanging, which drive me crazy. And I really like the fact that there's not a sliding glass door here, because if they had put a sliding glass door on this wall, you would not have any room for furniture. And it will also block that light from coming into your bedroom. That's one of my pet peeves with the sliding glass doors in the master bedroom, is that a lot of times that the light shines in when you're trying to sleep at night. So we'll go on into the bathroom. And this master bath is equipped with double sinks, beautiful cabinetry. We have linen closet to the left. We have the water closet to the right, and a very large closet for lots of clothes. And I love that the ceilings are so high, at 10-foot high ceilings, because you can put more storage up there. You can put another shelf and keep your suitcases or blankets or whatever the big clunky stuff is that you always need a spot for. The amenities here at Bridgewater are incredible. And so you have a pool, you have bocce. Caitlin, what's that one that we saw today? Not tennis.
Pickleball.
Pickleball. I can't get that in my head. They have two pickleball courts, 2 tennis courts, huge pool with a side pool attached for just laps. They have a movie room, a library, an arts and crafts room, an aerobics room, and they are all big and beautiful. So I'm excited for you to see the pictures of that we're going to be showing soon too. This house is coming on the market. It is definitely in need of a brand new buyer because it's a brand new duplex in a very spectacular place. We're literally walking distance to Costco, which is spectacular. You're near 95. You're a hop, skip, and a jump over the Piney Causeway to the beach. Patrick Air Force Base or Space Force Base. They have a lot of Air Force there. You have all the amenities in Merritt Island and West Melbourne with the malls, or a quick 45-minute ride to Orlando. If you're interested and you don't have a realtor, call me. If you're a realtor and you have someone interested, call me so we can get the right buyer in this house soon. This is Karina Danager with eXp Realty. See you on the next listing.